Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the Holland America Rotterdam. And yes, I've been away. If you ask, it's just, oops, I did it again. So if you see my wobbly camera work, this is why. Our sail away out of Fort Lauderdale was on the Sea View pool, and it was just a beautiful sight. Little did we know what was coming, our little hurricane or tropical storm Nicole, until it became a hurricane. But that'll be in the next video. I'll give you a quick tour of our interior cabin. We did choose interior in favor of an upgrade. We got some onboard credits so we can try all the specialty dining. It's beautiful, elegant, classic cruising. They do have a mini bar in the room, and of course if you take any of that, it is going to be a cost. Is a small refrigerator, and above are your beach towels and safe. But just look at this bathroom. I love it. No shower curtain. Full-size glass enclosed shower with all your LMS soaps, shampoos, body wash, LMS hand soap. No need to bring your own. There are two pool areas on the Rotterdam. The Sea View pool does have full accessibility with stairs all the way across and two jacuzzis. And alongside the Sea View pool is the Sea View bar, which is a little bit to the left, and the smoking area. And at the Lido pool, you have the dive-in, which is the burger bar, gelato, and the Lido pool bar. There is full accessibility here, along with 3 more jacuzzi hot tubs. Big lounging on the second deck, and the roof does close. Now this is sped up about 4 times, and I will let you see how it is just in a second after this closes as how noisy it actually is. We had just a few nights that had movies around the Lido pool, and it was a very comfortable experience and pretty. The art around the ship has a lot of classical music theming, along with beautiful, vibrant colors, and just elegance all around. But the Rotterdam also offered one thing I have never seen on a ship: a huge library. I'm not talking 1 or 2 books. There's 3 or 4 books of every single book they have. It's a drop-off honor system. They even have a book exchange. This is such a great idea and a beautiful space. Here's the other area I was very excited about, the thermal spa with this huge Thalasso pool, showers everywhere. This was just amazing. And yes, we did buy the full 10-day pass. And yes, that is a cold water bucket. There's 2 more showers on the other side. And this whole area, this is the big sauna. Oh, eyeglass holder, which I loved. The big sauna is right through these doors, and there's a huge area with a beautiful window in there. Another accessible shower and a smaller sauna. We are going to go up and find the retreat area. I think it's on 12. There are some that just love the retreat area. It is an additional fee, but there are those who just love it on every ship. So here's a look. Our first night, we chose Rudi Sel de Mar, a specialty dining. It is the higher priced seafood dining, and we loved every single bite. BB King's Blues Club is every night. They do have it staggered with the other 2 clubs, but BB King's is also the Lincoln Center stage during the day, which I highly recommend both. All of the entertainers, musical entertainers, were very good.
Oh, she may be weary. The young girls, they do get weary.
And each club does offer their own specialty cocktails. The Rolling Stone Rock Room is just down the way, along with the piano bar across. You really do have to figure out which club or which band you want to see that night, because after you watch one, the next one will be standing room only. Oh, and the Notes Whiskey Bar is right in between. In the morning, we head to the Grand Dutch Cafe. It is included if you do have a beverage package, and since a good morning coffee is what I need, that is definitely something that is a must for us. They also have some amazing breakfast pastries and some very good lunch favorites. to give you my first best tip. We're about to go on our first excursion. Go into your app on your phone, hit your profile, hit your wallet, and you can see your excursion tickets. Snap a picture of your excursion tickets. If you have 2 people, just swipe to the left and take a picture of each one. Because once you're off ship, you won't have Wi-Fi if you're from the US. If you're from somewhere else, you probably will. But your app also lets you go in and see the schedule of events, the hours, the dining options. It has so many different areas in the app you can go in and take a look at. You can book your shore excursions on there. So definitely download that app. Make sure it's up to date. And when you get to your shore excursion, all they need now is a copy of your ticket and they'll scan your barcode. Our first stop is the amazing Half Moon Cay in the Bahamas. Key, K, I say key, you say K. And yes, there were 2 ships in port today, both Holland ships. Second best tip, if there is 2 ships at the island at the same day, try and be on one of the first 3 or 4 shuttles over and find the map. As you see, when you first go in the arch, there is the first turn to the left. If you do have any mobility issues, bypass that first stairs to the beach, because those are going to be very steep going down into the beach, and it is not flat when you get to the bottom. If you just keep walking just a little bit down the way before you get to the beach, you will come into this nice flat surface you can walk right on with no stairs. Now we did hear that the best snorkeling is all the way out at that point there, but with me being in a boot, we weren't going very far. If you're standing on the sand facing these ships, there is some nice snorkeling to the left. There were actually some turtles over there. If you are renting a cabana for the day, you just look for the people in the yellow shirts. And here we are at the I Wish I Could Stay Here Forever bar. Unfortunately, on Half Moon Cay, Holland does not include drinks, even if you have the package on the island. So here is the list of cocktails. These are $11. The beer is around $7.50. Bucket of beer is $30. But they also do have lunch at the Tropics restaurant, as you can see here. That doesn't start till 11, and we decided to head back to the ship. I do just love that breathtaking blue water. Well, that's it for today. I'll catch you up on the next video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I am working my way to my first 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.